What's up? We're back in the video, guys. Here comes a work train. Slowly but surely, here it comes. Going pretty slow. Right now, we are on Holland, Michigan. Depot is right there. Anyway, here it comes. Not the Tampa, but some work train. I forgot the name of it. Anyway, here it comes. Comes very slowly, guys. He's right there. Get stuff right there. There goes one of the trains. Anyway, they heading to Hudsonville, not Granville. They give a Granville sign, a Hudsonville sign. Anyway, there they go. And I'm gonna end the video off here. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Hope you like this video. I'll see you guys next time once again. Bye. Once again, bye.